In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Phantom Wallet issues. If you've been facing some troubles while trying to use your Phantom Wallet app, don't worry. You're in the right place, as I'm going to guide you through a couple of straightforward solutions to get everything working smoothly again. Let's start with the first method, which involves ensuring that your app is up to date. Head over to the Play Store on your device. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top and type in Phantom Wallet. You should see the app listed among the results. Now, it's important to make sure the app is running its latest version. If there's an update button next to the app instead of an open button, that means there are some new updates available that you should install right away. Keeping your app updated not only introduces new features, but also fixes any existing bugs or glitches that might be causing the issues you're facing. Now, if updating the app doesn't resolve the problem, we'll move on to the second solution, which will involve clearing the app's cache and data. To begin, navigate to your device's settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll to find the option labeled Apps or Applications and select it. You should see a list of all the installed apps on your device. In this list, locate a Phantom Wallet and click on it. This action will direct you to the app's information page. On this page, look for and click the option that says Storage. You will see two options here: Clear Data and Clear Cache. Start by clicking Clear Cache. This action removes temporary data that might be causing glitches. If the issue persists, go ahead and click Clear Data as well. Do note that clearing data will reset your app, so you'll need to log back into your account afterward, as this resets app settings and clears potentially corrupted data files. Once you've completed these steps, try opening your Phantom Wallet app again. You should find that the issues have been resolved, allowing you to log back into your account without any hiccups. And there you have it. Two simple yet effective methods to fix any Phantom Wallet problems. Remember, keeping your apps updated is a great way to avoid such issues in the future, and clearing cache or data can be a quick fix when something isn't working quite right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in resolving your issue. Feel free to leave any further questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.